Okay. Okay, hello dear friends. Let's take a look of this one, Spotlight selfie stick. And I want this one because it's a short. I like something small and easy. Oh my gosh, this is a huge one. Warm light, cold light, cold light, medium, strong, warm, warm, low, warm, medium, warm, strong, neutral, neutral, low, neutral, medium, neutral, strong. And this is for putting the cell phone. This is quite big. It's bigger than what I thought. And there is a remote control. Yeah, you press and take it out, and you can open it up. Or 4 legs. Oh, this is quite strong. Yeah, this is good. This is quite strong. And goes up to quite tall. Where? This is a oh, you can stretch it quite long. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh wow. So long. 72. Oh, it reached to the floor. Wow, that's quite long. Okay, that's it. And it's pretty light. Okay, this is me without lighting, normal lighting, my house lighting. You can see the lighting is like this. On top of my house, the roof lighting. And nothing else, we just use that light. Now I will start to use the cold light. Cold, low. Cold, medium. And cold, strong. Warm, So this one is warm, low. Warm, medium. Warm, strong. And neutral, low. Neutral, medium. Neutral, strong. And this is it. Do you think it's a good idea? It's a good laughing stock to begin with, right? And it brings some laugh, make us happier, funner.